ya Mwai Kibaki thukuru-inĩ wa Mang'u hai nĩguo Mbĩtĩka cia gwetha njorua ya mũthako wa chess cirathiĩ na mbere mwaka ũyũ cikĩgucĩrĩria mbeũ njĩthĩ makĩria ya 5,000 arĩa marauga mena mwĩhoko mũnene wa gwĩka wega mũthako-inĩ ũyũ.
My expectation for this tournament is to become the national champ of under 18 girls.
I got 1 out of 2 points. Really tried my best. I moved my queen at the wrong position sometime when I was one move to checkmate. Then accidentally, someone was making noise behind us, so I was not able to continue the game nicely, but farewell, I still did it well.
Athaki aya arĩa nĩ arutwo a mathukuru ngũrani makiuga chess nĩ mũthako ũhingũraga meciria mao.
It relieved me from stress, and today's challenge was I met people older than me.
I was a bit scared because I saw like the people were bigger than me, but they were smaller than me. So the first try I won 2 points.
Na akiaria thutha wa kũhingũra mbĩtĩka ici, President wa kĩama kĩa mũthako ũyũ Bernard Wanjala nĩ orĩtie anyiti itemi matiganĩte gũka hamwe na kũnyitĩrĩra chess kĩmbeca kuona nĩ mũthako ũrakũra na njĩra nene.
There is a lot of improvement in terms of play if you check the quality in all categories. I know some of the top players already have lost, so it tells you there has been a lot of training among the participants. And just looking at the numbers, it tells you the level of interest is very high. The biggest challenge we are facing currently is funding. Staging such a tournament is quite expensive to hold these kids together, and I know we have many partners who would have wished to be with us, but this is the time.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inooro TV Juja, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.